It's time to clang and bang, man. You could do this, man. Mind over muscle, man. Mind over muscle, man. Follow us online, man. And for Monster Factory Wrestling, man.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Please enlighten me.
What are you doing it to though?
That's what I'm not afraid to lose all my hair. I'm not even thinking about that.
I'm on the top rope, man.
Who else has nice hair?
I'm scared to jump off. But when I put the reps in, man, I'm gonna fly like an eagle, man. We here at the world famous Monster Factory, man. We just got finished a Misty Sampson class, man. And that shit was amazing, man. Everybody getting in the ring, man, right about now, man.
That's what happens. That's what happens when you can't do the flippity dippity stuff.
Whatever he's talking about, man. But they in here, man. They getting their reps in, man. The Notorious Mimi up in the building, man. Y'all know.
Gonna wrestle a whole match, just fucking.
No, don't hit me with the deal. Hurricane. 1, 2, 3.
Now.
Yeah! I defeated the Notorious Mimi in the match. Yeah!
Also, do we have Dan clearance to tape up the ropes more?
See you, brother.
Alright, man. See you later, man. Good shit tonight, man. You worked hard, man. You worked very fuck you hard.
Thank you.
What's up, man?
God damn.
Don't you hurt my twin, man.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone needs to stop putting people off here.
Right, that's Davy's gimmick, damn it.
No, it's not, bro.
Stop flipping people the bird. Only Davy could do that.
Dude, I can do the bird like a year ago.
I promise neither of you.
I can't flip the bird because my fingers are sewed together.
Let me put it like this. I'm not gonna be flipping the bird on a show. I just do it because it pops everybody here.
Yeah, what he said.
I promise neither of you will. Don't worry. So you didn't see off me either?
Davy?
You both stole from Stone Just like everyone did.
Follow us this Saturday, man. The Shake Up event, man. We out here. All links. And that's the bottom line. Even though it's late from 316 Day. Because that's the bottom line. Because the Jordan Puppet Man said so, man. Give me a drink.
Your hairline?
Man, suck, man. Shut your dumb ass up, man. Shut your dumb ass up, man.
Oh, she big as hell. Let me get one go.
Oh, shit. Somebody about to die. Somebody about to die.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope you got neck insurance.
Yes.
Oh my God. Somebody about to get their ass kicked. What?
Come here. Hey. Get up. I'm not gonna let you fall down.
Oh, he a good brother. He a good brother.
I'm gonna put you down.
Damn. Shit. You could do this, man. It's just mind over muscle, man. Just mind over muscle, man.
Bye, sweetie. Have fun.
Jeff versus Max Sterling, man. Here at the World First Announce Factory, training matches, man.
There's an anti-masker.
Hey, man. Hey, Bell Pepper Nose. Hey, Pickle Nose.
Okay, this is a regal. No.
It's regal, that means royalty? Man, that don't rankle. You mean rankle? Ain't no regal. You mean rankle? Yeah. Oh, damn, the nose. Wow. Oh. I hope that. Woo. Check us out, man. We'll be here this Saturday for the Shake Up event, man. The Shake Up event this Saturday, man. Tune in. Woo.